Deputy Commissioner, Thoubal District, respected Madam Srimati Yumnam Robita has now arrived to participate in today's 77th Republic Day celebration. Contingent Commander Jamandar SI Island Singh. Mathang de Sansun Kaliba contingent SI Okram Robi Kanta Singh Command Makhada. Contingent. Ahum Subasangsin IRB contingent. Contingent leader Jamandar Ekpam Muhindro. Female police contingent Commander VDB Dr. SI Asem Satyavati Devi. Satyavati Devi na command PB Khabagi Matungda. Mathang Sangsin Laliba contingent asi VDF male contingent commanded by SI Akoijam Regan Singh. Mathang Sangsin Laliba contingent asi Home Guard contingent Home Guard contingent commander Senior Platoon Commander B. Yaimashasky Luching Makhada Changsin Laliba contingent asi Traffic Police Contingent. Traffic Police Contingent ki mathangda Sangsin Laliba contingent asi District Police Band Party commanded by L. Basanta Singh. Under L. Basanta Singh. Masigi Tungda Sangsin Laliba contingent asi NCC Lilong Haurebi College. Contingent asi K. Sitoy Henbigi Command Makhada NCC Abdul Ali High Madrasa Contingent.
Republic Day na lakpata I have na lungai tengka Paulin Kizari. We remember with deep gratitude the visionaries who gave us our constitution, ensuring justice, liberty and equality for every citizen. I pay homage to the brave freedom fighters and the architects of our constitution, particularly Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We stand here to honor the day in 1950 when our constitution came into effect, transforming India into a sovereign democratic republic. It is a matter of collective pride and joy for all citizens. This day is not merely a national celebration. It is also a tribute to the day our constitution came into force on January 26, 1950, shaping India into the world's greatest democracy. It is a moment to honor the ideals that define us and celebrate the progress we continue to make together. It honors the nation's sovereignty, democratic values, and progress. This year's celebration is historic as we mark the 150th anniversary of our national song, Vande Mataram, penned by Bankim Chandra Choppadhyay. For generations, these verses have been the mantra of independence, and today they guide our mantra of prosperity as we strive for an Atmanirbhar Bharat and the vision of a Viksit Bharat by 2047. The theme for the 2026 Republic Day celebration reflects patriotic spirit and focus on self-reliance. This year's achievement of Thawal district are closely aligned with the national theme, 150 years of Vande Mataram. This year-long commemoration, which began on 7th November 2025, serves as a cornerstone for the district's current development and cultural narrative. Our district administration has prioritized the resettlement and support of internally displaced persons. The district administration, in coordination with the Manipur State Commission for Women, continues to prioritize the needs of women and children in relief camp, ensuring they receive regular skill development, training to sustain their livelihoods and ensure that every citizen can return to a life of dignity and stability. Peace is the foundation of our progress, and I urge every citizen to foster mutual trust and social cohesion. Over the past year, we have achieved several milestones that strengthen our district's future. Around 4,271 beneficiaries under the Chief Minister Ki Hakseng Tingmal has been enrolled for the year 2025, and around 5,600 beneficiaries have received treatment under this scheme. Under PMJAY, around 6,000 beneficiaries have been enrolled and more than 11,000 beneficiaries have received treatment. A total of 266 ASHA workers have been able to perform around 88% of rapid diagnostic stays under the National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program in Thawal. Such voluntary service of District Program Management Cell irrigation-related beneficiaries were extended to 195 farmers across the district. Under the Rashtriya Agriculture Development Program, 145 farmers received targeted assistance aimed at strengthening agricultural infrastructure and improving farm productivity. Under the Mission for Integrated Development for Horticulture, 408 farmers have benefited under the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchay Yojana. 168 farmers have been benefited with water pump, with sprinkler irrigation system, and the construction of farm ponds, etc. Thawal has
Masigi matungda cultural troupe asi Bright Foundation troupe ni makoi gi team na haiba team masida makoi
General salute. Salami. Ses.
Wangkomani Girls College ki mathangdala iba contingent asi Khundong Bam Rockison gi Mathanga Kopsinjeri Mathanga Kopsinjeri Bal Vatika Play and Primary School ki contingent singni Bal Vatika Play and Primary School ki contingent singni
Parade! Rastriya salute. Islami ses. आगे बैन पीछे फसला 20 कदम परेड निकट लाइन चल
Ngasigi thauramsida saruk yabiriba mass pass contingent singna pigadaba salami adu ikai khamnajaribi chief guest na opigani.
परेड
2026 Thawal District Headquarter Republic Day Celebration Parade Commander Shri Harshavardhan B IPS Probationer Thawal KH Ranapati Devi.
MSR alone! Washington City Block! Summit Deck!
Kaino. Republic Day celebration na sida.
परेड को मन से गुजरने का आज्ञा प्रदान करे महोदया
Masigi mathangda nolukna kaungsinjuri Masigi mathangda kaungsinjuri Masigi mathangda kaungsinjuri M
Manipuri State Rural Livelihood Mission! Ilong Blong, SIG! CIGB, Kasal Implementation! Bye, Deck!
Ahum Suba Cultural Troupe asi Khangabok Higher Secondary School gi troupe ni makoina Lai Mazagoi ꯃꯤꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ contingent ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯂꯥꯃꯤ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯤ. Contingent kunithoina ngasi salami pibikhrabei matungda hojik cultural troops sing mathang saluting base tamna lakli. Ahanba oina lakliba cultural troop New Era akoigi saluting base tamna tapna Gordon V, IPS Parade Commander, Republic Day Celebration 2026. Mathangda nolukna kaushinjari Mathangda nolukna kaushinjari Masigi matungda Mathangda kaushinjari Masigi mathangda kaushinjari Contingent Commander Mathangda kaushinjari Mathangda kaushinjari Masigi matungda Contingent
जमीन लाख भाई सुनना मुझे
Waikhomani Girls College की contingent Sapam Anamika Devi की लुचिंग मखादा संगसिलकली.
रिपब्लिक डे परेड आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर हैं महोदया.
Hosik, Deputy Commissioner, respected Madam Srimati, Contingent Commander Laishram Binarva. Bina Command Tauduna, Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya Contingent. Masigi matungda nolukna kaushinjari Dr. Masigi matungda noluk na kausi
leaders sing amadi participant khudimanga refreshment lobby da makeup da koigi
refreshment lobby da benda bata contingent commander na dito biduna isa-isa gi contingent sing pubirak tuna refreshment lobby da benda magta sige cultural program gi ihan hana khudol tawgedoriba si new area higher secondary school gi troop sing thogol jagoi khudol tambina bai damakta sem sana masigi mathanga kausanjari
biết cái hay đúng không? Biết cái đúng không? Biết là.
masigi mathanga si mathang